Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and duplicating the background layer so you keep an original. Then switch to the eraser group and pick the magic eraser. This is how you target color areas quickly. Set tolerance around 20 to 50 to control range, lower for precise selection, higher for broader color removal. Choose contiguous if you want grouped pixels only, or uncheck it to remove all matching pixels across the canvas. Once done, you're ready to click and remove backgrounds efficiently. Once you've made initial clicks with the magic eraser, refine the selection by tweaking tolerance in small increments. This changes how many color variants are removed. Make sure Sample All Layers is enabled when working on composites so you affect the visible pixels rather than a single layer. If edges are messy, switch quickly to the lasso or add a layer mask to paint out remnants. This preserves non-destructive edits. This mixed approach helps you remove backgrounds while keeping fine hair, texture, and shadows intact. To finish, convert erased areas into a clean mask if you need non-destructive control. Add a layer mask and paint with black to hide, white to reveal. Then refine by feathering or contracting the selection by around 0.5 to 2px to remove halos. Make sure to zoom in and fix small artifacts with a soft brush. If something goes wrong, undo quickly or step back several history states. And remember, reducing tolerance or using masks usually solves most edge and color bleed problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.